As a buyer, how many times have you been scammed by retailers online? As a businessman, how often have you wished that customers truly connected with the products you're trying to sell? The problem is that just a picture and a word of mouth to vouch for a product simply isn't enough. It would be so much easier to be able to visualize the whole thing as it would appear in real life. Like a projection, a futuristic hologram. Thankfully, there is a way. With 3D Visual Solution, not only can you view a product in 3 dimensions, you can also design. Not only can you adjust the size of the overall product, but its individual components, materials too. See the product in real time with the dimensions it will possess within the space it is created for. Get a 360 view. Overall, you can see what you're buying as if you would in person before purchase. The interface is user-friendly. You can rotate the product to view it from all angles and adjust parts when purchasing a custom-made product. Anyone with a business online can amp up their website with our special features to leave a lasting impact on their consumers. Contact us today. info@3d-visual-solution.com. Happy online shopping!